Yung legs ko.
Ganyan lang. Kalahati. Ganda. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung paano ginagawa. Inaayusan ng buhok ang ating si Daldalita ng kanyang mami. Habang siya ay nanonood. Kasi pag hindi siya nanonood, galaw siya ng galaw. Kaya yan lang ang technique.
Pencils and crayons by you. And you know what? Sharing your eggs is a great way to earn your sticky wicky doodah. That? That is very kind of you. Okay, babies, I think we should have another egg. What do you say?
Paano mo natutulan yan ah?
Pinanonood lang ako sa kanya.
Look at all these eggs, babies. You did such amazing sharing.
Daldalita and her mommy.
Share with all that
Yan. Hello, Daldalita.
Hello, Mommy Baby.
Mama Bebe. Hi to my vlog. Hi. Say hi to my vlog.
Everyone deserves to have a
Kita niya, maganda siya, makapal.
Oh no! Where's Tiffy gone? Huh? Tiffy! Tiffy!
Parang baliktad yung damit niya, yung sa harap sa likod. Parang ganun para sa akin.
Hearts today!
Baliktad na. Totoo.
Hey, don't you very good. Shall we
Ito kasi yung ano eh. Oh.
Mommy, Baby, no!
Okay, sorry. Ayan.
like the plate.
No, I cannot, I don't sundot
And maybe earn some sticky wicky doodahs along
You don't know?
Yes, I don't know. And I don't.
It's
Just to story.
Yes.
And the you look at mommy.
No.
In the toilet daw ako daw yung nagaan.
Ah.
Lovely berry boo
You wanna go to SM again?
to eat. So
You wanna ride the You wanna go to na yan? Tom's World? Okay.
Bert, your cookie tower is so tall. Ooh, careful.
You wanna ride dinosaur, and then the car? Okay.
Now you two, remember, when
Okay, matatapos na po. Isa na lang. Yan din natin tatapusin at hahabaan ng ating Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to my my idol friend. Say bye-bye, Daldalita. Say bye-bye. Look at my vlog. Hello, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.